These blueberry lemon muffins are soft, fluffy, bursting full of juicy blueberries, and wait till you taste the fresh lemon glaze. Let me show you how you make them. We start by preparing our dry ingredients. In a bowl, we whisk together our flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. We give everything a good whisk so the ingredients are evenly combined. We set the bowl aside. Now it's time for our wet ingredients. In another bowl, cream together the butter and sugar. Add your eggs, mixing them in well. Now stir in vanilla, fresh lemon juice, and that lemon zest. That fresh lemon zest is going to give these muffins an incredible flavor. Finally, we mix in the sour cream. This is one of my favorite ingredients because it keeps the muffins wonderfully soft and moist. Now it's time to bring everything together. Let's add about half the flour mixture and gently mix until it's almost combined. Then add the remaining flour mixture and continue mixing just until you no longer see dry flour. Don't overmix. That's one of the secrets of tender muffins. Before adding the blueberries, here's one of my tips. Sprinkle about a tablespoon of flour over the blueberries and gently toss them until they're coated. The flour on the blueberries help keep the blueberries from sinking to the bottom of the muffin tins while they're baking. Now, gently fold in the blueberries. Using a scoop, I add the batter to the muffin cups. I like to fill them about 3/4 of the way full so they have plenty of room to rise and look like beautiful bakery-style muffins. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the muffins are baking, let's make the lemon glaze. Now, I actually double the glaze recipe because I love giving these muffins 2 coats of glaze. After the muffins come out of the oven, I spoon on the first layer while they're still warm, let them sit for a couple of minutes, and then spoon on the second layer. That second glaze adds even more fresh lemon flavor.